History of the pharmaceutical development in Nepal. 1. History of the development of pharmacy profession in Nepal. The historical event of the development of pharmacy was started during ancient Lichchhavi, ruler Amshu Berma, date back to 605 to 620 AD, when an Ayurvedic hospital was established. During Pratap Malla regime, 1641 to 1674, an Ayurvedic medicine production unit was established in Hanuman Dhoka Darbar, and Rana Prime Minister Jung Bhadur Rana shifted that unit to Thapathali in 1846 in Singha Darbar compound. At that time, medicine were manufactured only for royal families. Later, the Ayurvedic medicine manufacturing unit was named Singha Darbar Vaidya Khana. King Tribhuvan, 1906 to 1955, first arranged the distribution of those medicines to general public. Beer Hospital was established in 1890 AD, 1947 BS. Royal Drug Research Laboratory, RDRL, was established in 1964 AD, and the production unit evolved as Royal Drug Limited, started to manufacture allopathic medicine in 1972 AD. Establishment of RDRL was the starting of the pharmaceutical development in Nepal. The first pharmaceutical industry which started production was Chemi Drug Industries Private Limited, CDPL. It began its services in 1970 AD, 2026 BS, as pioneer pharmaceutical industry in Nepal. Nepal Chemists and Druggists Association, an organization of business firms involved in pharmaceutical retailing as well as in wholesaling, was formed in year 1973 AD. APON was established in the year 1990 AD by the pharmaceutical entrepreneurs with the view to facilitate, enhance, and improve the service of the pharmaceutical companies, in coordination with different government bodies, medical fraternity, and pharmaceutical business houses. Modern allopathic medicines. Modern allopathic medicines were introduced in Nepal in 1816 AD after Sokwali Treaty and establishment of British Residency in Nepal. Allopathic medicine manufacturing was started in 1969 in private sector, and a government undertaking, Royal Drug Limited, was established in 1972. DDA, a drug regulating agency of the country, was established according to Drug Act in 1979. The first pharmaceutical industry which started production was Chemi Drug Industries Private Industry Enterprises. It began its service in 1970 as pioneer pharmaceutical industry in Nepal. The production unit of RDRL was evolved as Royal Drug Limited that started to manufacture allopathic medicine in 1972. Most of the Nepalese national pharmaceutical industries were established in early 80s, Manoj, Everest, Lomas, NPL, and early 90s. About 7 large volume parental companies, Pashupati Chemical, Nepal Pharmaceutical, Himal Pharmaceutical, Bagmati Pharmaceuticals, Rainbow Pharmaceutical, BHK Pharma, and Vijayadeep Pharmaceuticals were established, but almost all of them are failure and closed. According to DDA, up to 2013, there are 45 human and 8 veterinary allopathic drug manufacturing companies in Nepal. 2. Status of allopathic medicine manufacturing in Nepal. According to APON, as of 2016, there are 47 pharmaceutical companies registered. 40 of them are running, and 37 of them are WHO GMP certified. The size of the domestic pharmaceutical market currently stands at 46 billion, and the industry has been growing at 18 to 20% per year over the past 7 to 8 years. Similarly, the investment in the industry has already reached around rupees 18 billion. Still, the Nepal's domestic medicine market is dominated by foreign products. According to study carried out by South Asia Watch on Trade Economics and Environment, SATI, the share of domestic companies in the country's pharmaceutical market was only about 30% in 2005. As of 2016, domestic companies have an impressive share of 45%. 3. Producing essential drugs. In the initial years, the Nepali companies used to produce only normal medicines for illness, like common cold, diarrhea, fever, cough, a few antibiotics and tonics. But today, they have evolved from that situation and are now producing essential drugs, even for cardiac, diabetic, and liver patients. 4. Export possibilities. Lomas Pharmaceuticals is taking the lead in exports. Besides Lomas, 4 other domestic drugs makers, NPL, Durali Janata Pharmaceutical Laboratory, Elder Pharmaceuticals, and National Healthcare Nepal, have received the Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product, CPP, one of the prerequisites for obtaining the export license from the Department of Drug Administration, DDA. List of some domestic industries. SN Domestic Industries, WHO GMP status. 1. Everest Pharmaceutical Private Limited, certified. 2. Universal Formulations Private Limited, applied for recertification. 3. Asian Pharmaceutical Private Limited, certified. 4. National Healthcare Private Limited, certified. 5. Omnica Laboratories Private Limited, certified. 6. Chemadrug Industries Private Limited, not certified. 7. Lomas Pharmaceutical Private Limited, certified.